Tomislav Hengl. I'm a director at OpenGeoHub. I'm 25 years into data science and soil science, pedometrics and varimetrics. And yes, I'm on AI for Soil Health. I lead one work package, producing primarily the data, pan-European data. And it's a Horizon Europe project within the mission Soil. Almost 100 people on the project. We are very excited. It's bringing really leading European researchers together. Deliverables, actually, our team was responsible for is we produced soil health data cube for Europe. When I say Europe, I also include the United Kingdom and Switzerland and Norway, and we also have Turkey and Ukraine in regional borders. So the candidate countries. So it is really pan-European, and so we prepared all this data from terrain parameters, landscape indices, and then we processed at the moment Landsat. We have also Sentinel-2 processed images, and we combined it and prepared it. So it's analysis ready. It's cloud optimized. It's about 30 terabytes of data at the moment, and we use this data to map dynamic soil properties, so changes of soil properties through time, most importantly, so running carbon, pH, but we are also looking at some biological parameters. And so we map all these properties. At the moment it's a 2-year period, so we map a block of 2 years. And this data is available as a cloud optimized GeoTIFFs. It's a cloud optimized file format, so it makes it very easy for anybody to access. Somebody who just needs, I just need the data from my farm, they can get it in a split of seconds. It kind of works like a geospatial database, but with no bureaucracy. There is a very easy to use. So that's the soil health data cube. As I said, now it's about 30 terabytes, but we are still adding more data. We hope to integrate also data from other sources, which is open. So we got, for example, a data set on the European crop field boundaries. So I think it's like 20 million polygons or something. So you can find your own, basically, farm, or you can find your own field. And then it's much easier to you just interaction with that. It's much easier to just click on that polygon and say, well, tell me about my farm. What did you discover? So that's and we have a bi-monthly, lots of bi-monthly products, biophysical indices like vegetation indices, telogen, etc. But we will switch to monthly within months. We will switch to monthly. There is also 16-day possibility to go 16-day. It's more tricky because of the clouds and other things. But we are thinking about moving to at least monthly. So that's coming, I think, around summer. And that will be then about 60 terabytes of data. And that should allow everyone in Europe, without restrictions, open data, to see what happened with their farms in the last 25 plus years. To really happen to see for every pixel, you can see like temporal signatures. And you can see sometimes there's oscillations. As I said, some year can be dry, wet year. There can be some natural hazards, events, etc., fires, I don't know. But over like longer period, it is really health status of the landscapes. It's a health status of soil. And people will be able to see that. And if they see that their farms and their land, it has some negative trends, they can be gentle negative trends, they can be more broad. But then let's say if they find negative trends, that they are aware of it, that they see that there is some degradation process happening, and we should get into action. And likewise, if there's some farmers that did so well in the last 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, they did so well to switch to regenerative agriculture, to switch to no-tillage practices, to really read about the topic and to really change the culture of how they manage the land, and that we can see positive changes. We want to celebrate these people as champions. We want that the whole Europe sees these are the champions of land management, and that everybody celebrates them.